Hi, this is Kent Jackson for Outdoor Exploring. This summer, when I kayaked at Lake Francis in Nescopec State Park, I noticed dragonflies darting along the surface, swallows swooping down toward insects, dog walkers, water lilies, and anglers. One afternoon, I took video of a group of mallards flapping their wings to splash up water while floating in the shallows next to an island. But no matter what else I saw, I always felt like I was interrupting a couple of lovebirds. A pair of Canada geese seemed to have vacationed for the summer at the lake. At least they were present every time I visited. Diane Maddle and Megan Fetter, the park's environmental educators, noticed the geese too and think they're mates. Sometimes the geese stood on shore, other times they floated along the bank or swam across open water. I tried to paddle a wide berth around them, but often they swam away whenever I approached. One was slightly larger than the other, and I've read that Canada geese choose mates of approximately the same size. Once together, the couple usually stays together for life. Never during the summer, though, did I notice any goslings. On Labor Day, near the summer's end, I went back to the lake, but the geese were gone.